What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the biggest questions I get regarding Etsy ads, one of the biggest questions you can ask yourself, one of the biggest questions you can ask other people. So without further ado, the question is, how many listings should I advertise? And the answer is simple. The question is simple, but the understanding is a little bit more in depth. So before you watch this video, or after you watch this video, honestly, you should go and watch this one right here on my channel. How much should I spend on Etsy ads? Because both of these videos, they're related in so many ways in terms of mindset. By the way, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time on Etsy, e-commerce, and personal success. And I am also releasing an Etsy ads success course later on this month. So please subscribe to my email list in the description below. It's an extremely extensive course that will help you profit with Etsy ads for sure. So getting on with the question, how many listings should I advertise? This is one of the first sections in the Etsy ads course that I'm releasing later this month. It's very simple. You should advertise all of your listings. When you're starting off, you should advertise every single one of your listings. Why? You don't know which ones are going to do well, which ones are going to do bad. And you need to put money behind every single one of them to find out if they are going to be good or if they're going to be bad. Because there may be some dormant listings in there that when you put some money behind it, it might do really, really well. So that's the really short and simple answer to how many listings I should advertise is you should advertise all of them. You should advertise every single listing that is profiting you money. And how do you profit money with Etsy ads? There's many strategies that we go over in the course, but the simplest way to do it is just pay attention to your Etsy ads. That's all I'll say for that. Also in this video, we're going to go over some questions because, that's always fun to do. Let's take it from the Etsy Seller Success Strategies course. If you're not part of this course, the link is in the description. Please join it and ask questions. We'll do videos on them, and depending on the questions, might make entire videos or just like this, have it be, the second half of the video. So this question is relative to the time period we're in right now, being holiday season. Is it too late to the SEO bread dough rise to upload Christmas shirts now from a POD standpoint, considering order cutoff dates are December 5th? Or should you just keep uploading general niche designs? You should do both. You should definitely do both. In this answer is for POD people and for non-POD people. So you should definitely be uploading Christmas listings. I would say you maybe have a day or two left, a few days left, because it's going to take a while to rank. We're on November 12th right now, and it usually takes around a good week for a listing to kind of get its foothold, if you will, a week or two. And then honestly, you might see an uptick in sales and it might go up in rank, but generally speaking, 2 weeks is going to give you a pretty good idea of what that listing is going to do. And you don't want to add too many building blocks to your tower of Jenga before a big sales event like the holiday season. Otherwise, whether you add them or take them away a lot, that tower, each building block, each listing makes a big difference. And if you add too much or take away too much all at once, it has a big impact on your views. So you don't want to make too many changes too quick, and that is why many people are asking this question. If you're out of the loop there, that's why a lot of people are asking that question. Should I upload now or is it too late? It's because it's because of two reasons. Number one being it takes time for something to rank. Number two being when you add too many things, you lose views and you lose sales. So if you have a question, please feel free to add yourself to the Etsy Seller Success Strategies Facebook group. The link is in the description. And also be sure to add yourself to the email list in the description to get an update of when I release the course. I did a poll in the group here, what I should call it. Obviously, it's an Etsy ads course, but everybody went with Make More Money with Etsy Ads. So that is going to be the main title of it. It's going to be Make More Money with Etsy Ads. And then the subtitle, obviously, is going to be something different. But that's it, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe, comment something, join yourself to this group, as well as add yourself to my email list. Have a beautiful day.